Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the BPlayer application without the Google Play Store, and we'll do this on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So, if you have a Google TV setup, follow me step by step. At the end of this tutorial, you should have the BPlayer application downloaded and installed. Let's get into the video. First things first, I'm going to go over to the settings app, and this is to ensure that my TV or your TV allows apps to be installed from unknown sources. So this will give the app will be using to install BPlayer the permission to install an application which is unknown. So head over to settings, and you're going to go to quick settings. Now navigate to all settings and look for the system setting. So under system, click on about, and you navigate down to find the build number. So I have Android TV OS build. You may see it in your device's build number, but you find this number here. I want you to click on this number 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you should see a message saying you have become a developer. In my case, you see you're already a developer because I've done this before. So if you have become a developer, you should confirm that by seeing it here on developer options. So if you see developer options, then that has been successful. Now this is important because this will enable us allow the application of choice to install an unknown app or install app from unknown sources. So I'm going to head over to the app we'll be using, and in this case we'll be using the APK Time application. So head over to APK Time, and now you're going to let the app load. Be patient. When it's loaded, ensure you have a very good internet connection, and navigate down to the option that says Players and Browsers. So click on Players and Browsers. Under that category, scroll down a bit, and you find this unique icon here with the BPlayer application. So choose the BPlayer application. We put the cursor on the download button. You see that button become green. So just put it on the app and click on download. So you see the download begins automatically. It is downloading at 14%. Just give some time and understand that initially the download is complete. The installation process will start. When the installation process begins, you need to ensure that if you see a message that says unknown sources or allow unknown sources or allow unknown apps, you have to navigate down to the option that says APK Time and toggle it on. If that does not show in my case, it's because I already have it set up for APK Time to have that permission. But if you see that, just toggle APK Time on, giving you the ability to allow apps to be installed from unknown sources or allow unknown apps to be installed. Then come here and click on this install button. So as you see, this particular application is not compatible with my device. You could use this next download button and do the same process just as I've shown you. So it's already at 21%, 65%, and there we're going to have the application downloaded. We're going to do the exact same thing. So ensure it's possible to have an app download given that you're toggling on unknown sources. Now click on the install button and you see the BPlayer installing. There are 2 versions of that player available. If one does not work for you, the other one definitely will. So as you see, my BPlayer is successfully installed, and I could access it from here, or I could just click done, go back to the home screen and access the application this way. So click on this app, it launches, and now you have the BPlayer application downloaded and installed on Google TV. So if you found that insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for content like this, and I'll see you in the next one.